Hi everyone, my name is Lou Diatorio and I am the production manager for Alsco in St. Pete. I've been in the textile industry for 30 years now. I started with my parents' dry cleaning business many years ago and have slowly transitioned into commercial and industrial laundry. One of the main reasons why I made that jump into this industry is because the hospitality industry is a sector that's continuing to grow, especially in this marketplace. We're seeing growth week over week, and it's just a great opportunity to really fight the challenges of a manufacturing facility and warehouse. I joined Alsco in August of 2021. I've loved it since I've been here. They give you the opportunity to grow in your position, and especially to grow within the company. So it's not one of those companies where you join and the position you're in is a dead-end position. Everybody has an opportunity to move up, especially with the rapid growth that we're seeing, especially in this marketplace. St. Pete is, like I said, growing tremendously. Our facility here is a perfect example of people that were doing feeder folder, which is feeding napkins into the ironers, to are now leads and supervisors. So as I said, this is an excellent company. It provides great benefits on top of the pay and just the work environment. So if you're looking for an opportunity to not just have a job but to have a career, Alsco is definitely that place.